1 week! 1 week to go!
The moment of truth arrives, empowered by courage, I prepare to take flight. And in that moment, I found my fearless.
You're watching Ride Comparisons, and Hyperia is the 8th roller coaster at Thorpe Park. So what better way to count down the last 7 days than with the roller coasters that we already have. So with only 7 days to go, it's time to fly the fish. Bring it on. 24th of May, Thorpe Park changes forever. Wait a minute, that's not the fish.
If you'd rather look at the TV than look at you.
So, Flying Fish's roller coaster of the day, what are we doing over here by Stealth? Flying Fish didn't actually go to its current location until 2007. It actually opened in 1984 as an indoor coaster called Space Station Zero. In 1990, it was moved over here to the location where Stealth is now, and then moved once again to Amity Beach in 2007. I'm supposed to be filming the fish here, but they had the gate open on Stealth, so I've just been able to lap it like 5 times. That was awesome. Oh, I am definitely getting a few more rides on Stealth today. So here we go, guys. Flying Fish moving to its current location in 2007. The oldest roller coaster in Thorpe Park, and probably the best. Let's go fly the fish.
All right, dudes, keep those fins inside the fish. Hold on tight, because you're ready, the fish is ready, and here we go!
And here we go! And there we go, guys, that is coaster of the day, the Flying Fish. It's so dead today, we actually got 5 laps on it. Gotta love the fish. Definitely the best ride at Thorpe Park. Anyway, guys, 7 days until Hyperia. If you are enjoying our content, don't forget hitting that subscribe button. Really does help me continue to make these videos, and I'll see you next time.